smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Nice warm Sunday morning. Bit of a later start. Being a Sunday, nothing really gets going. So, although it's a lovely place, Ardingly Inn, there weren't many early breakfast times. But back on it, let's see what happens. A very large building, sets of buildings, Ardingly College. It's got to be a private school. Nobody's got sports grounds like this. When a private school has its own car park and all its vehicles. These couple of miles of road walking are just to get from Ardingly back onto the trail that I created. So back on the path. So off we go. Haywood Heath golf course. Circuiting this one. This pathway through the golf course is sort of covered each side with bushes, which makes a change. The route takes us through another private road. Loads this part of the world. Coming into the back of Burgess Hill. Day 7 on the Comberton Le Vaudreuil trek. The objective of today is to get as close to the Newhaven port as I can. And it's a nice day. It's Sunday, so I expect quite a few things to be closed, but making good progress. I'm not sure what today is, whether it's a 25-mile day or a 20-mile day, but as always, let's see where the day takes us. I haven't really gone through a town centre. This little collection of buildings are all eateries on the way out of Burgess Hill. Not really looking at anything. A bench looking at electric pole. Yeah. Come through Haywood Heath, gone over the railway, and now we're running parallel to the railway. Not quite where the path goes, but it's roughly in the right direction, through a brand new housing estate that clearly didn't exist when the person did their walk. Away from built-up London. Through all the paddocks and then out onto the bridleway that is very well used. Under the bridge, turn left. A short section on the outskirts of Burgess Hill, I think, just to take you away from walking on the roads. But it's still walking on concrete. Town park paths. Crossed over many railway bridges, but not many railway lines. Gone past Burgess Hill, but looking to my right, they look like South Downs. really surprising. Around here there are so many stables that really all I'm walking on are public bridleways, and some of them have had aggregate or concrete put down. Whew. Just a view of the South Downs. Got to go up and over that. Bit of a boardwalk on the top of the hill. Very bouncy. There's a pond. Means it's a village. Village of Ditchling. Between the houses, up onto the downs. Yet another paddock to go through. This one, you actually get a bit closer to the horses. Now I'm confused. This is the sort of lane you don't want to meet a car on. It's just about one wide. There's a cycle race going on up and over the downs. Onto the South Downs Way, massive cycle event going on. We'll stop at the top of the hill. I think we'll have to go straight through the middle of those cows. Go slightly to the left of them. These are huge animals. Up high, it's normally a fantastic view down into the valleys. Back there in the distance is the feed station for the cycling. South Downs clay, flints, great looking. That's the sea. It's the other side of those low hills. So I keep going on this path. Thank you. No saddle, blimey. A long walk over the downs, and now we're coming into Lewes. So another half mile should be the town centre. And then I make my way out of Lewes to my accommodation. Beautiful old town. Look at that. It's a busy street. The final bit for the day. 2.5 mile walk following the River Ouse towards the sea. The Ardingly reservoir was intercepting the water from the River Ouse. They're doing construction work along here, so I think my view is just going to be the bank to my left and a new fence to my right and this gravelled piece of concrete. Sure where these cows have come from, but thankfully there's a gate just there, so I'm going to go up. Yeah, I'm not quite sure where you've been let out from, but so this is the section that they haven't manicured into a concrete path, and you walk on top of the bank and you can at least see the water. If I'd carried on the South Downs way, it might have been quicker, but I Got to go over that bridge to the left. And that's where the YHA building is, I think. Pretty ancient bridge, which was a swing bridge originally, but not too far to go. When they talk about engineering works going on, this is what they're up to. Yeah, engineering works. And the final few strides before I get to the YHA. It's serving food.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.